day they'll hold people, throw us all under the bus so that they can hold on to their power. And we're not going to sit idly by. It's the most dark before the light. The U.S. is struggling to hold on to its place in the world, and they will continue to struggle to hold on to power by being united. So, once you're done here, find an organization. Find a group of people that are... He said he's going to go to war against it. Even though he singly veiled it without saying it a lot, we know what he means when he says it. And we know the losers in Congress, the wimps in Congress, the dogs in the White House are never going to do anything either for Israel, the Zionist entity, to do whatever they wanted. Kill hundreds of thousands